Hello everyone, I am Rahima Sharif and welcome to the new video tutorial of Flutter series. In today's video, we are going to learn and see the real-time example of Flutter and real-time example of row and column. In the previous video, we already discussed about how it's important to know the deeply understanding of row and columns in Flutter, because knowing it better, it is impossible for us to design a complex UI in a Flutter. So let's move forward and look how it can be designed the complex UI with help of Flutter. For knowing better, we will start it from the columns. For it, you just write a body here, because we can put the columns or row in a body of application. Let me increase the font of Android Studio that make it more visible for you. Hope now you can look my screen more clearly. In body, first we start declaring a container. Here's the container. Under the container, we can design the row and column anything we want. First, start with the columns. Write it column here. As you know, once you declare the widget under the widget, you have to declare as a child. Here, container is also a widget and column is also a widget. And now column is under the container. So we have to write the child in front of a column. Here is the column, you can see. Just open the bracket and close it. Now the column is here. Under the column we have to write children, and you can see this is a array or list mark. Means what column contain is a list of a widget. So we have to declare a widget here. Once you declare it, you can open the braces and write as many as widget here. For making it more clear, we start with the container 2. Container with nothing, a box that can contain the widgets here. So for making more clear understand, we declare the height and width for column here too. Height will be the 100 pixel and width will be the 100 pixel same. Means is a square box. Now change the color as a container background. You can select red, green, that what you want as quickly. You just need to copy. As I'm super lazy, I just copy it and paste it 3 times. 2 more times, that will create the 3 containers here. Let's change the color of it. Red will become the blue and another red will become the green. You can select what you want, nothing mandatory here. Before run the code, just take a look one thing here. As we already discussed, if this is your screen and you do something in a column, you put widget in the column, this will come one by one, means in this way. So just take a look, is it working the same way or not. Click on a hot reload, that makes the run application super fast. And here is the result for you. As you see, one box come after the one, where the one container in, second begin, where the second container in, third will begin. Means this will come in one by one. As much as you add, as much as container you add, as much as widget you add here, will come one after one. Hope it's clear for you. Now we have to do one more thing. So what first we do, we have to make it center vertically. So write it here. Sorry, you have to write it under the column, because main axis is defined in a column. Main axis alignment. Now the main axis alignment becomes where we have to put a center. Means vertically it will become on a center this way. Vertically it will become on a center of the screen. Let's press in a hot reload and let's see what it work or not. And here it is. It will come into the center. If you put here in an end, the result become the column will come into the end of the screen. Let's take a look by quick. And here your result it will come into the in the bottom of the screen. So this thing. Now we have to take one more thing here. we will put a cross alignment to here, that will do something with cross alignment center. Let's see what it should. Cross alignment means we are talking about left to right for a columns. So let's see, is it work or not? It should make it center the column into the width of the screen according to horizontal center. So this too is working or not. Press on hot reload. But here you see there is nothing happened between these things, because for now the width of the column is 100 pixel, and whole box contains the width of 100, means there is nothing for a box to move under the column. If we increase the width of a column to 300, 400, then you can see there is a result, it brings a result or not. So just try to make that clear too. For this we have to just one thing, we can increase the width of one widget, that will automatically increase the width of the column. Let's see if you press in hot reload what's happened with the results. And here you can see these two widgets are moved center of this. What happened with this is here as we increase the size of this widget, the column widget will become the same size of the increased widget. So now these two boxes have a proper space to move left to right. That's why how it's become to the center. Hope it's clear for you. Now take a look one more thing. As its column, and when we do anything, that will become one by one. There is no space between. So if we want to make its column here, first will come here, and this will be the height, and want to be fill in all this. When space between the two widgets, or space between the up and down. Let's take a look how we can do it. As you see, let's delete it here and just working on a main axis alignments. Cross axis alignment will remain the same for that time. Here you see there is a multiple options. Center means it will bring all the column in the center of the screen. It will become in the end of the screen. Space around. Let's see what the space around does. Click on hot reload. Now what it does, it will produce the same amount of space here and here between the widgets, and it will be the same it will remain the same, and it will remain the same for all times. One more thing here. Now it's a task for you. Do the same code and try what the space immediately and space between do. That's a task for you. It's very interesting for you. It's gonna very interesting for you. Just try, take a look, and if you not understand, please write in comments. I will explain the thing for you for a special video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. One more thing I forgot in all our video while I'm making this. I'm just requesting you, I'm forgot to request you that please like and subscribe my channels if you like, and share with your friends, and give me a feedback that how can I make this video more interesting for you. If I'm not able to make you understand about the concern, please let me know. Thanks for your time.